What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play BabyNofo Mai. So this song was requested by Tim, so shout out to you. Hope you enjoy this, and if you have any other requests guys, let me know in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get it started. So I'm just going to place my index finger right here on the 3rd fret. Cover all those strings. I'm going to place my middle finger on this string right here, and then my ring finger on this string right here, and I'm going to use this as a bass line. So, and if you want to add the little the fill in at the end of that chord, so all you do is just flick the last string, so pick it and you hammer it down with your pinky, so on that fret right here. So, and then the next chord, you're gonna slide your index finger over to this fret. You're gonna place your ring finger here, pinky right underneath on the same fret, and then your middle finger on this string right here. So that's the 4th string. So, if you want to add in the little fill-in as well, you just lift your pinky off there and just hammer in that the 5th string. The next chord, you're going to shift it over to this fret right here. So that's going to be your 6th fret. So, and what I want to do is I'm going to put my middle finger here, my ring finger over here, and I'm going to use this as the bass line this time. So, oh sorry, this chord. So I'm going to put my my finger over here, middle finger here, pinky, ring finger right underneath it, and then pinky all in that one fret. And then my index finger 2 frets over, so 1, 2. So you should get that sounding chord. So, and then the last chord is you're going to leave your index finger here, and you're going to place your ring finger here, pinky on this finger, on this string right here, and then your middle finger on this string right here. So, this is your bass. There you have it, BabyNofo Mai, requested by Tim. Hope you enjoy this, and if you have any other requests guys, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. But for now, take care, God bless, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.